I hope you enjoyed this video. This is gonna be a pranks. Okay, alright, sneeze pranks. Oh my gosh, alright? Don't tell anyone. Start this video and hit the bell button down below, and then don't forget to like this video. Alright, guys, we're here. So, achoo!
What the crap?
Hey, don't. Hey. Oh, come on. Oh, crap. Okay, guys, it's been 2 days. So I'm gonna sneeze Andrew with this. Sorry, guys. So I hope this you subscribe. Oh, sorry. Man, it's so hard. So quiet.
They sound good. I'm making a toothbrush shower.
Alright.
Shower.
Chew.
What the crap?
Hey, watch your mouth already. I told you many times.
I just put the lamb.
That's a bad word, Andrew. Okay, guys, I'm sorry to disrupt you, and this will be a little minute. And this is not a real plan, but this is very hard, I guess. So at the next episode, right now, tomorrow I'll upload this video. Okay, guys, but don't be just say comment, comments down below. Alright, guys. Alright, people. So at the other side, please give me that special camera. Because I need, the thing you put videos on video games, like you put your face in the camera and you play. I'm gonna do that, but please do it, and I'll make more plans. Told me to do more, and yeah. So.